We are Eamon and Bec, and welcome to our sweet digs. It's a 2015 Sprinter van that we converted ourselves, and it's about 80 square feet of living space.
We spent 15 grand on the van itself and then another 25 converting it into this.
Come on in.
Before we head inside, I thought I'd show you one of our secret little hiding spots. Eamon and I love to be fit and work out, but we hate stinky shoes. So we built this little secret drawer for our running shoes.
2 for me, 2 for you.
The cab area is fairly standard. The main feature is the swivel chair. So the fact that this chair is able to swivel around really allows to open up the space, and you can just kind of hang out and look at your masterpiece. The only other thing we added is a headliner shelf. So this holds the privacy blinds that go on all the front windows, as well as our junk drawer. Every house needs a junk drawer. And this, we got jackets and Tupperware and towels and Bluetooth speakers and all that kind of stuff.
And then all of these drawers are kitchen related. We keep lots of stuff in here, like our blender, which is fixed at all times. This is our pots and pans drawer. And then sort of our pantry. Lots of dry goods in here. Something I bet you've never thought about living in a traditional home is how you will prevent your drawers from opening and closing when you're driving. So we've installed these awesome RV locks that automatically lock everything up, so we never have to worry. If we get kicked out of a camp spot, we can be gone in a flash.
So you might be wondering, how does water work in a van? Well, we need to carry all the water with us. So we have a 40-gallon water tank that's in the garage. Works with a 12-volt water pump. So you've got lots of pressure, soap dispenser. We also have a water filter. This is a UV water filter. So no matter where we're filling up, we can ensure we've got safe, clean drinking water.
This might look like a regular cupboard or countertop area. It's actually our bathroom. So all you have to do is lift up this countertop, make sure it's safely resting back on the back wall. Open up these doors, and we've got a composting toilet and a full shower set up.
And when it's time to shower, we call in Eamon. And Eamon lifts out the toilet and get out the curtain. So we have a custom curtain here that attaches to the ceiling, like so. We might need to move Matilda. Did you intro Matilda?
No.
This is Matilda, everybody. Hi, Matilda.
Our beautiful plant. Tell her you love her.
Love you, Matilda. Got some hooks that we store just inside here. And then when it's all nice and set up, I call Bec and say, Bec, your time to shower.
Thanks, bud. Then it's as easy as that. We have a 30 by 30 shower, teak slot pan down here. Life's pretty good.
Hey, Bec.
Hey, bud.
If you're gonna live in a van in North America, a heater is a must. So we're using a diesel heater that runs off the same diesel tank the car has. So that's a really efficient way to heat the space.
To keep cool in the summer months, we installed these 2 bunk windows. So as soon as we open them up and put this fan on suck mode, actually a really nice cross breeze, cool air comes into the van, and it's been really, really pleasant sleeping in here all summer. Now during the winter, I'm not so sure. We gotta get out of here.
Mexico!
Garage time?
Oh yeah.
I won't go into too much detail about the electrical setup, but essentially we have the 5 solar panels on the roof, which charge the 6 batteries. That creates DC power. Most of the appliances are running off the 12-volt DC. When you need to plug something in like your hair iron back, you need to convert it into AC. So that's called an inverter, and that allows us to plug in and charge off the shore power at a friend's place or at a campground, or convert that power so we can use different appliances like charging our computers or drying our hair. This is where we keep the second bed. So we've got an extra cushion and bed platform, and that actually folds into where our guests would sleep on the bed area. The L shape turns into another bed. So we keep extra sheets up there. We've got a little barbecue pit here, fire extinguisher, some outdoor tools.
We've got this ladder that leads up to the roof deck. Come on, let's check it out. As you can see, we've got our 5 solar panels up here, and because they're the flexible solar panels, we can actually lounge up here on a nice sunny day and catch some rays.
Or on a nice clear night, we can hang out and watch the stars. This is actually my favorite part in the van.